Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WhatsApp for account verification and privacy, full guide step by step clearly. To register with WhatsApp for account verification and privacy, start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your device and open it. Once the app is open, tap on Agree and continue to accept WhatsApp's terms and conditions. Next, you will be prompted to enter your phone number. Select your country code from the drop-down menu and enter your phone number without the leading 0. After entering your number, tap Next to proceed. WhatsApp will send you an SMS with a verification code. Check your messages for the code and enter it into the app. If you do not receive the SMS, you can opt for a voice call to get the code instead. Once the code is verified, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Enter your name and, if you wish, add a profile picture. You can adjust your privacy settings by going to the Settings menu. Navigate to Account and then tap on Privacy. Here, you can control who can see your last seen, profile photo, about information, and status updates. Choose between options like Everyone, My Contacts, or Nobody based on your preference. If you want to enhance your privacy, consider enabling two-step verification. To do this, go back to Account in the Settings menu. Tap on Two-Step Verification and then on Enable. You will be asked to create a 6-digit PIN for added security. You can also set an email address to help reset your PIN if you forget it. Once you've set everything up, your WhatsApp account will be ready for use. Make sure to review your settings periodically to maintain your desired level of privacy. Now you're all set to use WhatsApp securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.